Alright, ready?
Yeah.
We have a Blu-ray plus a DVD plus digital code. And this is Disney Pixar Monsters University. These are some educated monsters. We have the front, side, and the back. What do you say we open it up and see how the university is for the monsters?
Good idea.
Okay, here we go.
The cover just slid up a little bit, but I got it.
You got it, buddy. You're good at fixing those, you know that?
Yeah.
There's our insert.
And then there's a bonus extras Blu-ray. And then the feature film on Blu-ray.
Very nice.
And there's the DVD.
Wow.
Nice artwork, huh?
Oh yeah.